Ground preparation, mounting structure and mounting the PV module. In this video, we shall learn about the ground preparation and installation of mounting structure and solar PV modules for a solar pumping system. Before installation and commissioning of the solar pump, some important documents need to be shared with the installation team. The documents that need to be shared with the team before going to site are site address with the customer contact details, site survey report, balance of materials list including electrical equipments, mechanical tools and safety gears, structure drawing and design of the installation site, single line diagram or SLD of the solar pump being installed. Once the team has reached the installation site, the first task is ground preparation for installing mounting structures. There are two basic types of mounting structures. First is ground mounting structures, which can be single pole mounting or multiple leg mounted structures. Second, rooftop mounting structures. These are installed where ground space is not available. Additionally, tracking-based mounting structures are installed that rotate the solar modules in the direction of maximum solar irradiation. Now, we shall learn about the installation of leg-mounted solar module structure. The structure is made of galvanized iron. The material required to construct leg module mounting structure includes M20 grade concrete civil foundation, which is made by mixing cement, sand and aggregates in a 1:1, 5:3 ratio. Structure legs. These GI structures are inserted in the ground to support the whole structure. Vertical rail or rafters joined with structure legs to form a C-channel. Tilt members, which provide the appropriate inclination for mounting solar panels. Horizontal rails or cross members that join the structure legs and rafters on either side of the installation. Tilt bracket to keep the tilt angle stable as well as mount the solar modules on. Lastly, nuts and bolts for joining the structures. Let's learn to install the mounting structure now. It should be ensured that the solar array will be facing the south direction with no shade falling. This step is ensured during the survey itself. Firstly, pits are dug at the marked locations for erecting the solar legs. The pits need to be 700 mm deep and should have length and breadth of 350 mm each. The number of pits required depends on the size of the structure being installed, which is directly connected to the number of structure legs. In case of rooftop mounting structures, the civil foundation is made on the roof surface instead of the ground. Secondly, a part of the module mounting structures is assembled. Two rafters are attached to join the front and back structure legs. Galvanized iron nuts and bolts are used to join the structures. Each end of the C-channel is bolted to the structure legs. Then, the module mounting member or tilt members are installed on the foundation of C-channels at the particular tilt angle. In the third step, the partially assembled mounting structure legs are placed upright in the center of the pits. The alignment of the structure legs is checked using a spirit level indicator. Then, the adjacent assembled structures are joined by horizontal rails as per the mounting structure plan, and they are called cross members. These cross members are attached using GI nuts and bolts. The structure alignment is checked using a spirit level indicator. If the bubble in the spirit level comes to 90 degrees, then the installation is properly aligned. The orientation and tilt angle of the structure is checked using an angle finder instrument. Nowadays, mobile applicators are available to check the tilt angle and they are preferred over the angle finder. The angle of tilt from the ground parallel level should be the latitude of the installation location. In India, the tilt angle varies between 17 to 23 degrees. Now, the structure legs are fixed in position using M20 grade reinforced concrete and 8 mm TMT bars. This foundation is cured with wet gunny bags or sprinkled with water at frequent intervals. This is carried out to ensure maximum strength and the water tightness of the concrete foundation. A weak foundation may cause the structure to break down during strong winds or floods. This completes the module mounting structure. Before mounting the solar module on the mounting structure, the module serial numbers are noted for warranty and maintenance purposes. Once the alignment of the mounting structure is checked, the modules are placed on the mounting structure one by one and fixed using stainless steel nuts and bolts.